Hello students, welcome back. Welcome back to our digital classroom. In this video today, I'm going to discuss with you all exercise number 19 and 20 of Renan Martin book, Comparison of Adjectives. You need to turn to page number 34, exercise number 19, in which you have to change the following sentences by using less or least without changing the meaning. I'll start from question number 1. But before this, I want to tell you one thing that students here you remember only the answers are written on the screen. For questions, you refer the book, the Renan Martin book. So question number 1 is the mango is sweeter than the pineapple. The answer is pineapple is less sweet than the mango. Question number 2. Silver is more plentiful than gold. The answer is gold is less plentiful than silver. Question number 3. This is the most useless of all my books. The answer is this is the least useful of all my books. Question number 4. Wolfram is one of the rarest minerals. The answer is wolfram is one of the least common minerals. Question number 5. The wild apple is the sourest of all the fruits. The answer is all the other fruits are less sour than the wild apple. Question number 6. Iron is more useful than copper. The answer is copper is less useful than iron. The next question that is the next exercise that is exercise number 20 students, in which you need to change the degree of comparison without changing the meaning. You remember without changing the meaning shouldn't be changed. Now question number 1. Malacca is the oldest town in Malaysia. The answer is, as you can see in the question students, that the question is in superlative degree. So the answers are given in positive and comparative degree as well. So in positive degree the answer is no other town in Malaysia is as old as Malacca. In comparative degree the answer is Malacca is older than any other town in Malaysia. Question number 2. Soyabeans are at least as nutritious as meat. The answer is meat is not more nutritious than soyabeans. Again, the other answer is with a little bit change, that is, soyabeans are less nutritious than meat. Question number 3. No other planet is as big as Jupiter. The answer is Jupiter is bigger than any other planet. It is in comparative degree. In superlative degree, the answer is Jupiter is the biggest planet. Question number 4. Very few boys are as industrious as Latif. The answer is Latif is more industrious than most other boys, and the other one is Latif is one of the most industrious boys. Now students, before going to discuss from question number 5 onwards, I want to tell you one thing. As I've already told you in my previous videos when I was teaching you this chapter, that all these questions you need to complete on your own. After completing all the questions and answers, then you are expected to watch this video for the answers. I have already given you enough time to complete all the questions on your own, because when you practice on your own, you learn more and then you can match the answers with this video. Now, question number 5. He would sooner die than tell a lie. The answer is he would not as soon tell a lie as die. This question you can do on your own also with a little bit difference, but remember without changing the meaning. Question number 6. India is the largest democracy in the world. India is larger than any other democracy in the world. It is in comparative degree. In positive degree, the answer is no other democracy in the world is so large as India. Question number 7. Shakespeare is greater than any other English poet. The answer is no other English poet is so great as Shakespeare. In superlative degree, the answer is Shakespeare is the greatest of English poets. Now, question number 8. Question number 8 is Samudragupta was one of the greatest of Indian kings. The answer is very few Indian kings were so great as Samudragupta. It is in positive degree. In comparative degree, the answer is Samudragupta is greater than most other Indian kings. Now, question number 9. The tiger is the most ferocious of all animals. The answer is no other animal is so ferocious as the tiger. It is in positive degree. In comparative degree, the answer is the tiger is more ferocious than any other animal. Question number 10. Australia is the largest island in the world. The answer is no other island in the world is so large as Australia. The other one is Australia is larger than any other island in the world. Now, question number 11. Lead is heavier than any other metal. The answer is no other metal is so heavy as lead. It is in positive degree. In superlative degree, the answer is lead is heaviest of all the metals. Question number 12. Some people have more money than brains. The answer is some people do not have as much brain as money. Question number 13. A wise enemy is better than a foolish friend. A foolish friend is not as good as a wise enemy. Question number 14. The Marwaries are not less enterprising than any other community in India. The answer is the Marwaris are at least as enterprising as any other community in India. Question number 15. I know him quite well as you do. The answer is you do not know him better than I do. Question number 16. You do not know him better than I do. The answer is I do not know him as well as you do. Question number 17. No other man was as strong as Bhim. Bhim was stronger than any other man. Comparative degree, and in superlative degree, the answer is Bhim was the strongest of all men. Now, question number 18. Some boys are at least as industrious as Suresh. The answer is Suresh is not more industrious than some other boys. It is in comparative degree. In superlative degree, the answer is Suresh is not the most industrious boy. Now, question number 19. Mount Everest is the highest peak of the Himalayas. The answer is no other peak of the Himalayas is so high as Mount Everest. It is in positive degree. In comparative degree, the answer is Mount Everest is higher than any other peak of the Himalayas. Question number 20. Very few animals are as useful as the cow. The answer is the cow is one of the most useful animals. It is in superlative degree. In comparative degree, the answer is the cow is more useful than most other animals. Now, question number 21. America is the richest country in the world. Answer is the first one is in positive degree. No other country in the world is so rich as America. Now, the next one, which is in comparative degree, is America is richer than any other country in the world. Question number 22. It is easier to preach than to practice. The answer is it is not so easy to practice as to preach. It is in positive degree. Question number 23. Iron is more useful than all the other metals. The answer is no other metal is so useful as iron. The other one is iron is the most useful of all metals. Question number 24. Open rebuke is better than secret love. The answer is secret love is not so good as open rebuke. Question number 25. This is the tallest building in the city. No other building in the world is taller than this building. Question number 26. Sir Surendranath was at least as great an orator as any other Indian. The answer is no other Indian was a greater orator than Sir Surendranath. It is in a comparative degree. Now, in superlative degree, the answer is Sir Surendranath was one of the greatest Indian orators. Question number 27. Ooty is as healthy as any other resort in India. The first answer is in comparative degree, the other one is superlative degree. First one, that is, no other resort in India is healthier than Uti. The other one is Uti is one of the healthiest resorts in India. Now, question number 28, and from this question ends the end of this chapter. Now, question number 28 is, the pen is mightier than the sword. The answer is, the sword is not so mighty as the pen. This is the favorite quotation which I have. So, students, the next one is assignment. Three questions are given to you. What you need to do is just the same as you have done in exercise number 20, that you change the degree of comparison without changing the meaning. So the first one, lead is the heaviest of all metals. It is in superlative degree, and you have to change it into comparative or positive degree. Similarly, question number B and C, they are in positive degrees. So you need to change it either in comparative or in superlative degree. So I hope you will be doing this. You will complete this assignment. So students, in this video we have discussed the adjective, comparison of adjective, some questions we have discussed. Previously I have already completed the chapters like adjectives and comparison of adjectives. I hope you have gone every aspect of the chapter. If you have any doubt or any queries, ask in the comment section, that is already available for you all. And in the next video I'm going to start a new chapter. Happy winter vacation to all of you. After winter vacation the other video will be uploaded. So till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Take care. Bye bye.